Good morning, traders. It is Wednesday, May 10th. The news has just come out at 7:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Made a nice move up here. I have already sent a signal out to all of my subscribers on what I'm going to do before I'm going to do it. And I'm going to send another signal out right before I actually do it with the parameters of the trade. So that will help a lot of my signal subscribers. However, should be noted though that the same exact thing can be done on your own simply by joining the charting service and just using that and learning how to use it properly, and you can just take the same trade I'm going to take all by yourself. You don't really need to have the signals, but the signals for the Nadex are good because I will be sending out other trades that aren't necessarily called out within the charting service. So that can be helpful. But anyway, this is what's called a Newsday play. There's actually two of them. And I'm going to take the first one without calling it out. Without sending it out for a signal. And the second one is the one that I've called out for the signal already in advance. But I'm going to take the first one on my own. The reason why I can't call this one out is because this one is too risky, and it needs to be, you have to be able to take the entry and be ready to go the opposite direction if needed. It happens all the time. And there's no way I could send out a signal that fast. But the second one will be the last one. So once we have the direction for that one, there won't be any need to send out another one. It's just a matter of getting that direction right, and using the breakout technique will allow that to happen and be able to get it right. So I will be back shortly to take this trade, but for you charting subscribers out there, you can watch this trade here. Watch how I take it and learn for yourself how to do this on your own. There's absolutely no reason why all of you cannot easily do this on your own. So watch these videos, pay close attention to them. I'm going to make this a part of the training here. These videos that I'm doing, make this a part of the training. You want to learn how to trade on your own, you get my courses. Both 1 and 2. If you're really serious, you come into the charting. Pay attention to the charting, and then each day watch me take this trade. This is the exact trade called out in the charting. See how I take it. In fact, what I'm probably going to do is I'm going to let the video run. Once I'm going to be ready to take the trade, I'm going to let the video just run, and you could just watch it happen. Actually, there's no real reason for that. Anyway, I will come back. On second thought, let me just go ahead and take the trade that I called out for the signals. That way I can more easily concentrate on the signal that's been sent out. So I will come back once I have taken this trade. It won't take too long here. I'm just waiting for it to develop, and then I will go ahead and take the trade. Okay, I've taken the trade long here. Going for 30 ticks. Nadex signal was already sent out. Buying 40. Okay, it is moving higher here. Got a Nadex trade above 47.50. Got to manage that one as well. I'm looking for 30 ticks on this one, up to 61. See if I can get it. Hopefully I can. If it starts to head down, I'm going to have no choice but to exit this trade though. I've already got the signal ready to go for the exit. There is a chance, you see, let me show you on the daily, everybody. You see how much we've already gone up on the daily here? It could continue up, no doubt, but it's getting risky because at any time it could start rolling over. And we don't want to be in it if it rolls over here. In fact, I think it's going to do it. Let me take a look at the 10-minute. I don't like it. I need it to rip higher here. I'll come back. Okay, it is ripping higher a bit. Need to get it a little bit higher, up to 61. There it goes. Come on, come hit me. Okay, I'm out of that one. I'm going to manage the Nadex trade now. I'll be back. Okay, I closed out the Nadex signal for, I think, 1,200 profit. I think it was. Now, I could have made somewhere about 2,500 profit. But I would have had to have held it and hoped that it would stay over 47.50. Now, you remember what I just told you a bit ago, that look at the daily. There is a chance. Okay, this one right here didn't pull back. This one didn't pull back. This one pulled back hard. This one didn't really pull back. This one only pulled back a little. This one didn't pull back, only a little. This one didn't pull back. It just depends if it's going to pull back some or if it will maybe continue even higher. It is possible, certainly possible. It could go another 50 ticks higher. Or it could pull back like this one. The risk is high that it will pull back, and I don't want to stay in it when it's going to pull back below 47.50, when it might do that, very well might do that. So I don't want to stay in the trade. That's what I tell all of you traders out there, all of you charting subscribers especially. I'll try to hammer this in every day. Look at the daily while you're trading. Very important. It will give you, and you really need to have 2 monitors to trade. You need 2 good sized monitors. I'm using 2 27-inch Samsung monitors. Now, if I was trading stocks, I would need far more than that. I would need at least 4, if not more, even 6. But 4 of them is good enough. With 4 of them, I have enough room to look and watch all the different stocks that I have on watch. Look at their time and sales. Time and sales starts lighting up for some reason, you can see it very easily. See all of it just start coming through, greens and reds, greens and reds, greens and reds. And it alerts you right there that something's going on, and you go take a look at it. You know, if it's getting active. And I might have 20, 30, 40 of them that I'm watching at one time. You need a lot of monitor space for that. And also you need level 2s so that you can take entries on the different ones that you want to take entry on. So you need, you know, 2, 3, 4, 5 level entry screens. Then you need an area for the news. Then you need the scanners, area for the scanners, and all different kinds of stuff that you need a lot of room for. For trading oil, you don't really need all that much room. But 2 monitors is pretty much essential. Can't really trade without 2 monitors. You need to have some room. You need to be able to watch charts. I personally watch the daily, I watch the 10-minute, as you can see, and I watch another one that I don't want to give away. But it's just another chart, that's all. And I use that for the entry. And you code traders out there know what I'm talking about. And anyway, so had a good day today. Yesterday, I also took trades. I lost on the Nadex. I won on the futures, like you're seeing here, which I normally always do win. But I lost on the Nadex, and I lost both videos yesterday. The power went out, and I lost them both. They're building a huge condo right next to me here on the beach, and you know, I think that has something to do with it, where the power keeps going out here. So, anyway, I'm going to take care of that problem with a backup power supply, so that that won't happen to me anymore. Anyway, I'm going to get going. It's getting late here. What time is it? 10:53 p.m. And I'll upload these videos, and I hope all of you are being inspired by these trading. I hope all of you signals guys hit it, and I hope all of you charting guys hit it too. You could have taken the first one. It was beautiful. The first one I called out for the Newsday entry. It was beautiful. It worked perfect. I took the second one to be more safe, because sometimes, and they both went the same direction, they both went up, but sometimes they go the opposite direction. So I didn't want to send out a signal going one way, and then all of a sudden the other one would reverse and go back down, which is what I thought it would do, because it does that most of the time. Mathematically speaking, it does that most of the time. It does not do what it did today most of the time. It went against the math today, but I just went with the break. But if I had gone with what I thought it was going to do, I would have shorted it, because that's what it mostly does. It's just today's a special day. Today's a day where it wanted to go straight up and just make a big bar up. Now what it will do from here, I cannot say. It's 50-50. It'll either come down a bit, make a line, or it will maybe go up a bit more and close over 47.50. I didn't want to take that chance on the Nadex. I had 100% profit, 100+% profit. Didn't want to take the risk. There's times to take a risk and there's times not to. This was a time not to. So anyway, I am going to get going. I hope all of you traders are doing well. Hope you're learning. Hope your charting subscribers hit the trade. I certainly hope all you Signal subscribers hit the trade. There's no reason why you shouldn't have hit the trade. If you have any questions about the signal that I sent out, send me an email. I'll answer it and I'll help you understand. Okay, I'm going to get going. Happy trading out there, and I'll see you tomorrow.